This video is part of a series that explains how to configure different parameters for the 0 to 10 volt dual-tech sensor demo. In this video, we will demonstrate how to perform a factory reset. Caution: the factory reset will clear all settings and reset the sensor dimmer configuration back to the factory defaults. Any customized sensor settings will need to be reconfigured. To perform a factory reset, first put the device into configuration mode. If the lights are off, push the on-off button to turn the lights on. Then press and hold the on-off button for 5 seconds. When the aqua LED starts flashing, release the button. The LED will continue to flash, indicating that configuration mode is active. Push the on-off button 15 times. The yellow LED will flash 15 times to confirm and then will turn green. Push the on-off button 2 times to select the factory reset option. The LED will turn blue. Press and hold the on-off button for 3 seconds until the yellow LED starts flashing to process the factory reset. After the yellow LED flashes 15 times, the sensor dimmer will return to configuration mode. Manually exit configuration mode by pressing and holding the on-off button for 5 seconds.